All right, so talking the warm up here, we're graphing two different equations on the same line, but each of them has a different domain. This actually leads perfectly with the notes we started yesterday, which are what we call piecewise functions. So it's going to be kind of the main concept today. All right, so we want to graph x squared plus 2, but only on this domain. So we should all know what x squared plus 2 looks like. That is a U-shaped graph that's shifted up 2 units. So it's shifted up 2, and it'd be our U-shaped graph that'd be located right there. But this problem says only graph it from negative infinity to 0, meaning our graph is going to stop at the vertex here, and then it's going to just be the U shape heading out like so. So we're only graphing like the left half of that graph. So that's all part A says to do. Again, that's using skills you should already know how to do, just applying it over a domain on a specific graph. Then it wants us to do the same exact thing for a different graph on a different domain. Notice this domain is everything on the right side here. So this is linear. This would be a graph that has a y-intercept of 2 and a slope of negative 1. So y-intercept of 2 and a slope of negative 1 is just going to go down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, or sorry, right 1, all the way through. And it's going to start at 0, meaning it's going to start here, and it's going to go on to infinity. So it's really just going to be our line that would fill in right from there. So we can draw ourselves a line, put our arrow, and there we go. There's our piecewise function. So again, it's got half of the graph that's an x squared or a parabola shape, and it's got the other half that's a linear shape. And that's kind of the main concept going forward into this section.